Most people think of diabetes when they hear about health and high blood sugar, but long before a person is actually told they have diabetes, their body shows signs that their blood sugar level is too high. This is because diabetes is a very serious disease that can lead to death. Many more people are getting high blood sugar because they eat a lot of fake and processed foods. The only way to stop this is for each one of us to learn more about it and pay close attention to the warning signs our bodies are sending us. This will help us take care of our health as best we can. Now, keep watching to find out the most important warning signs that the level of sugar in your body is very high, as well as signs to look out for if you think you might have diabetes. Before we start this video, I just want to remind you to check out our channel for everyday health advice like what you're about to see. It is true that if you drink a lot of water right before bed, you may have to get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom because your bladder will be full. But if your blood sugar is too high, you could get an infection in your urinary system. This could make you have to go to the bathroom more often than usual. Number 1. Having trouble keeping your mind on things. If you don't have enough insulin in your body, your cells won't be able to take in glucose from your bloodstream. Because of this, your body can't do what it's supposed to do. This is why you feel tired and can't focus as well as you should be able to. If you have high blood sugar, your body will make you urinate more to get rid of that extra sugar. This could make you lose too much water. Number 2. Wounds that take a long time to heal. If even small cuts and bruises take longer than usual to heal, this could mean that your blood sugar levels are too high. It affects the nerves and can cause poor blood flow, which makes it hard for blood, which is needed to heal damaged skin, to get to the area that needs it. Number 3. Sore throat. Your mouth dries out because your blood and saliva both have a lot of glucose, which is a direct result of having high blood sugar. Number 4. Infections that don't go away. There are a number of illnesses that keep coming back, and each one needs to be kept track of. Also, keep an eye out for a large rise in blood sugar and a wide range of diseases that affect the pancreas. Number 5. Cloudy vision. If your vision is temporarily getting blurry, you shouldn't freak out and rush out to buy a new pair of glasses. Most of the time, the lens in the eye gets bigger because there's too much sugar in the blood. Do you know what any of these red flags mean? Do you think you might have diabetes? Keep watching until the end, because after we talk about the signs that your blood sugar is too high, we'll talk about some of the things that you should look out for if you think you might have diabetes. Number 6. Stomach problems. If your blood sugar is too high, it might take longer for your stomach to get rid of the food that you've eaten. This can make the stomach feel full, cause bloating, stomach pain, nausea, and vomiting. Number 7. Skin changes. If your skin color changes and certain growths start to show up, it's possible that your blood sugar level is too high. You may also notice that black, thick patches of skin are starting to show up on the back of your neck and your hands. This could mean a lot of trouble. Number 8. Constant fatigue or extreme tiredness. If your thyroid hormone levels are low, you are likely to feel tired, sleepy, and sad. Fighting infections takes a lot of energy, which can make you feel tired all the time and cause your blood sugar to go up. Number 9. Fat or extra weight around the middle. This is one of the most common things that people with high blood sugar may feel. Because not all of the food you ate got into your cells as energy to feed them, you are now feeling hungry again. Number 10. Thirst. When your blood sugar is too high, your kidneys have to work harder than usual to filter out and absorb extra sugar. To reach this goal, fluids need to move through the body so that the sugar can get out of the body through the urine. Number 11. Skin that itches and feels dry. Itchy skin is a sign that the blood flow in the body isn't working right, and this can be the cause. Most of the time, itching happens in the lower parts of your legs. Number 12. Impotence. This disease, which only happens to men, is a direct result of long-term problems with how well blood sugar is controlled. Because of this, both the nerves and blood vessels get hurt. Number 13. Feelings of tingling and numbness. This is related to how badly the nerves were hurt. If you feel tingling and numbness in certain parts of your body, this could mean that the blood sugar levels are too high. Neuropathy is what doctors use to describe this kind of nerve damage. Number 14. Always hungry. You might be one of those people who eats a lot, and that's fine. On the other hand, if you don't have much of an appetite most of the time, it could be because you don't have enough of a hormone called incretin. Incretin makes the liver release sugar after a meal. If you don't have enough of this hormone, your stomach will empty faster and you'll feel hungry again soon after dinner. This in turn increases the level of sugar in your blood. Number 15. Nerve problems. Simply put, high blood sugar can hurt the blood vessels that bring oxygen and nutrients to the nerves. This can lead to neurological disorders. This can be avoided by keeping your blood sugar at a healthy level. Now that you know some of the signs that your blood sugar is probably already too high, here are some other signs to look out for that could mean that you have diabetes. Number 1, you will have to go to the bathroom more often. This is because your kidneys have to work harder to deal with the extra sugar that's in your urine. Most people with diabetes have urine that is clear or has a very light tint to it. This is because people with diabetes have bodies that make too much sugar. 2. You have symptoms like the flu or feel more tired. If your partner starts to complain that you used to love to do things, but now you just want to stay home and sleep, this could be a sign that your health is getting worse. If you used to enjoy doing things, but now all you want to do is stay home and sleep. Hughes says that people who feel tired will say they knew there was something strange about them. The main source of energy in your body, glucose, has run out, which is why you feel so tired. Hughes says, it's like you're a car that runs on gas, but the gas is outside the car and can't get in. Wynn says that getting up several times during the night to urinate is another thing that can make you feel tired during the day. Number 3. You are more likely to get yeast infections in your vaginal area, in your urinary tract, or in your yeast. Lucille Hughes, the director of diabetes education at South Nassau Community's Hospital in Oceanside, New York, and a certified diabetes educator, says that OBGYNs can sometimes help figure out if a patient has diabetes based on how often they get yeast infections or urinary tract infections, or UTIs. Diabetes changes the body's immune system, which could make a person more likely to get sick with other diseases. Wen says that women with diabetes may have miscarriages or suffer from irregular menstrual cycles. Number 4. You've lost weight even though you weren't trying to. Even though most people would want to lower their body mass index, the loss of weight, which happens when diabetes is not under control, is not a very healthy way to lose weight. This condition happens when one's body cannot use insulin properly, which stops it from using glucose, a type of sugar that's found in food, as fuel. Susan M. Diabate, a registered nurse at Centaur, Virginia Beach General Hospital, who is also a certified diabetes educator and team coordinator for the hospital's diabetes education program, says that this makes your body start breaking down fat and muscle to use as fuel. Number 5. To get better, you will need more time. Wen says that if you notice that cuts and scrapes take a lot longer to heal than they usually do, this could be a sign that you have diabetes. Number 6. You may notice that your vision is hazy. Diabetic retinopathy is a condition that can affect a person's eyesight if they don't take care of their diabetes well. Because diabetes can cause a wide range of vision problems, optometrists are often asked to help diagnose the disease. Number 7. You feel like you're thirsty more often than usual. When you go to the bathroom more, you feel more dehydrated, which makes you thirsty and want to drink more fluids. Also, some people may say they're more hungry than they usually are. Number 8. You experience erectile problems. Wen says that erectile dysfunction in men under 50 could be a sign that they have diabetes. You have to keep a check on your health every now and then. Stay healthy and like the video and subscribe to our channel.